Alright, I'm recording.
Alright. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's what my shield recharge.
Yeah.
Alright, go. That aim punch. It's actually pretty relevant on this. Alright, 37. Let you know when I'm full.
Let me know.
Go now. $33. Go. $26. Like, alright, I think that's good enough.
Alright.
Alright, go for it.
Or you gotta be on the payload. Otherwise it'll just keep moving. There we go.
Oh, it was definitely more than one tick.
Okay, that was 3, yeah.
Alright, go. 7. Go. 3. I wasn't
That was
ready.
2.
I wasn't ready yet. I wasn't ready.
Alright.
I'll let you know when. Go. 10.
What?
3 and 10, dude. Holy shit. No, didn't hit. 8. Let you know. Go for it. 3. Oh, no, 7. I can't do math. Go.
That was 2.
Yeah, that was 2. First one looked like it did 2. Go. Go. 8. Go. 4. Let you know. Go. 12?
Whoa.
Go. Did you? No, you didn't hit me twice. You did 14. Go now.
Yeah.
10. What the fuck, man? Go. 7. One more. Just one more. Go for it. 8.